what's inside. You get a boss?
I sure did.
Where is he?
Right here.
Oh. Wow. Are almost there?
Yeah. Poor sap wants to know what's inside Bosco's things. Back in Vietnam, a lot of lonely men. We made Bosco sticks as a solution to that. We needed the men to want to fight, so we gave them Bosco sticks. But it went horribly wrong.
Boss, he's escaping!
After him.
Hey!
As you can clearly see, a mass conjugation of human beings and skin, flesh, bone, and probably hair is just conjured up into one corner. And we're going to go where no man has gone before.